This is a review of the Beast Pro 3 in under 60 seconds. It is a pretty interesting drone for less than $200. You've got an obstacle avoidance sensor on top shooting lasers. We've got a 3-axis gimbal which also has some electronic image stabilization. This is a GPS drone. Now it's a 4K camera, 4K pictures, 2K video, so basically 1080p, and it is stabilized. It's a decent camera, but really this is not going to compete with something like the Mavic Mini or Mini 2. It just doesn't have that quality. Also, the app is nice, decent ZLL Pro app, but it just isn't well refined. Yes, you've got Follow Me. Yes, you've got Orbit. You got a handful of different things, or Return to Home, but it's not going to work as well as some of those more polished DJI products. So just keep that in mind. But if you're looking for a beginner drone for about 200 bucks, decent idea here, but don't rely on this obstacle avoidance. It really just kind of stops in front of obstacles, and it's kind of annoying because it picks up quite a bit. I actually end up taking this thing off.